What's up, fellow anglers? Welcome to today's adventure. And trust me, you're in for a treat. We're not chasing gators on an airboat today. Instead, we're diving deep into the fantastic fishing opportunities at Everglades Holiday Park, shown here in the heart of South Florida. Now, many know Everglades Holiday Park for its thrilling airboat tours, and they're definitely worth checking out. But for us serious fishermen and women, this place is a hidden gem, offering incredible access to some truly legendary freshwater fishing in the L-67 Canal system. Before we even hit the water, let's take a look at the facilities here at Everglades Holiday Park. They've got everything you need for a comfortable and successful day on the water. Notice the well-maintained boat ramps. Launching and retrieving your rig is a breeze. And plenty of parking? Absolutely. No more circling around endlessly, which is always a huge plus. Clean and easily accessible restroom facilities are always a welcome sight, especially when you're planning a full day of fishing. Everglades Holiday Park has you covered. Forgot your favorite lure or need to stock up on live bait? No problem. Their on-site convenience store has a great selection of tackle, snacks, drinks, and of course, the bait that the local fish just can't resist. It's a one-stop shop to make sure you're fully prepared. All right, with the logistics sorted, it's time for the main event, the fishing. We're now cruising along the famed L-67 Canal, a waterway that's renowned for its monster largemouth bass. But that's not all you might hook into out here. They've got peacock bass, sunshine bass, and a variety of other freshwater species that call these waters home. Look at this scenery. The L-67 is more than just a ditch. It's a vibrant ecosystem teeming with life. You've got lush vegetation along the banks, providing excellent cover for fish. Keep an eye out for signs of fish activity, a flick of a tail, a swirl on the surface. These are the clues that can lead you to your next trophy catch. Whether you prefer casting artificial lures, soaking live bait, or even trying your hand at fly fishing, the L-67 offers something for every style of angler. The key here is patience and understanding the water conditions. Pay attention to water clarity, temperature, and any signs of current. And speaking of catching, this canal system has produced some truly impressive fish over the years. We're hoping to hook into some real beauties today. Remember, responsible fishing is crucial. We practice catch and release on many of our catches to ensure these fantastic fisheries thrive for years to come. There's just something special about fishing the Everglades. The peace and quiet, the abundance of wildlife, and the constant anticipation of that next big bite. Everglades Holiday Park provides the perfect gateway to experience this incredible fishery. Without the need for a guided trip deep into the wilderness, you can bring your own boat, launch easily, and explore miles of fishable water. So, if you're looking for an accessible and productive freshwater fishing destination in South Florida, be sure to check out Everglades Holiday Park and the legendary L-67 Canal. It's more than just airboats. It's a fantastic fishing spot with all the amenities you need for a great day on the water. Thanks for joining us on this fishing adventure. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our future fishing trips and tips. Tight lines, everyone, and we'll see you on the water.